So part 2 of valacyclovir is I just wanted to give you guys an update. At first it made me really tired. First week it does really knock you out. It took me, after that week though, I started getting used to it, and then makes me like really emotional, but also I'm on doxycycline, so it's possible that that's making me emotional because it did that last time. Nothing crazy, not like mental breakdowns or anything. Just I feel like when it takes over your brain, there's emotional parts of your brain that probably haven't had blood to them in quite some time. So that is that. But I did want to give you guys a warning that on the valacyclovir, I'm pretty sure it's just that because the doxycycline didn't do this to me last time. But the valacyclovir seems to cause like extreme anxiety, and I found I was like babbling on, just really nervous, like sweating, just anxious, like my heart rate was going nuts. It wasn't terrible for me, but I could imagine if you already have issues with anxiety and panic, it would be really scary. For me, I've learned how to calm my body down, and ever since I cut out sugar, I haven't really had too many anxiety attacks. Like barely since I cut sugar out. It's like non-existent now. I found sugar really, I don't know what it does. It makes me really anxious and really tired. It like hates me. So if you do struggle with anxiety, I suggest you cut sugar out. I have a whole video on how that makes me feel like shit. But on the valacyclovir, it does have anxiety side effects. So it's now week 3, and I think that peaked at week 2 to 3. That was crazy for me. Crazy. And I know it was like from this bad boy. But just know that eventually tapers off. And if you already have anxiety issues, maybe you wanna just be prepared for that, because it might be like a nightmare if it's tenfold for you. So just be careful with that. So at first it makes you tired, then it makes you anxious and somewhat emotional. So both of those things did go away for me, sort of. I'm still kind of emotional. But it's really nothing crazy. It's just like I can think better, my brain is clearer. I don't know what else to say. As far as energy levels go, I do feel like I have more energy. I've been doing more things. I don't want to jinx it, but yeah, it's like 10 in the morning and I'm already up and about, sort of up and about. I just feel like I got hit by a Mack truck this morning, 'cause usually I feel like that. And I think I had like restful sleep last night, which is crazy. Also, I stopped coughing up. Well, that's not true. I still kind of cough up the clear jelly, but I don't know. This is just rambling on. I just wanted to let you guys know that there are anxiety side effects. Like I still have some of them, but they taper off, and it's nothing that I can't handle. But if you have concerns, really talk to your doctor about it and try cutting out sugar, because that worked for me, and maybe it'll work for you. Who knows? That's it. Okay.